Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Fiverr account. So as you can see, we are now on the home page, and just click on your profile logo on the top right hand corner. Just like that, and you'll be redirected here, and click on Become a Seller. Just click on Continue. After that, you'll be redirected on your personal info page. Then fill out all these options, your first and last name, and put on your display name, your profile logo or profile picture. Then put on your description about your work experience, your cool project or something. And after that, you put your language and your proficiency on that language, like basic, conversational, fluent, or native. Click on Continue. After that, you'll be redirected on the professional info page and account security. Just fill out all those options and you're good to go. So I'll show you what the seller dashboard looks like, or your seller page, and it's just like this. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.